Hello and welcome back to the Desert Stories. This is Sunita. Let's have a look at the headlines. Asafa Food SAOG signed a cooperation agreement with the Saudi Arabian firm Stallions United Trading Company to export Asafa's high-quality products and further processed products to Saudi Arabia. A signing ceremony was held at the Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries and Water Resources and was attended by His Excellency Dr. Ahmed Nasser Al Bakri, Under Secretary for Agriculture, and His Excellency Abdullah bin Saud Al Anzi, the Ambassador of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, appointed to the Sultanate together with several other delegates. Agreement was signed by Engineer Mohammad Suhail Al Shanfari, CEO of Asafa Food Company, and Dr. Isam Mohammad Al Maud, CEO of the Stallions United Trading Company. India today decided to impose tighter restrictions on international travelers arriving at its airports and other ports of entry beginning 11th of January to contain rising infections of COVID-19. All arriving passengers will have to quarantine themselves at home for a week from 11th of January notwithstanding their port of origin. At present, only travelers arriving from countries with a high incidence of COVID-19 cases are being compulsorily tested for coronavirus infections. While in such cases, those found negative are quarantined at home for a week, while those found positive are sent to institutional quarantine. His Highness Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Crown Prince of Dubai, Chairman of the Executive Council of Dubai and Patron of the Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum Creative Sports Award, today congratulated the winners of the 11th edition of the award. An award ceremony to be held at Expo 2020 Dubai today will bring together the sporting world's most creative individuals and entities. The Elections Committee for the 30th session of the Board of Directors of the Bahrain Chamber of Commerce and Industry has announced that the BCCI's new board will be elected on March 19, adding that the venue of the elections will be set later. During its first meeting, held last Thursday, a panel affirmed its keenness to provide the highest standards of neutrality, fairness, transparency and efficiency in managing BCCI board's electoral process. Tata Consultancy Services has been selected by the Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India for the second phase of the immensely popular Passport Seva program, the country's largest mission-critical e-governance program till date, following its successful implementation of the first phase. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more updates. Till then, take care. Thank you.